asking how much, but I think it's very expensive there, tita. But I think almost only 300, 300, 250, 300. I think
Yeah,
when you're cold, take one and you'll feel the warmth. Oh,
I gotta
you
show
need
you
it.
guys something.
You need it that one right now because it's cold. Singapore is a very expensive country to visit. Oh my god.
I got this hat, and it's got a light in it, and it's got Bluetooth.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, the cup. It's have battery. What's that inside? It's a battery or
It's
just
got a
chargeable
speaker. It's got a speaker
speaker?
because it's got a Bluetooth
Wow, that's cool. Oh my god.
in the hat. I
Oh.
thought that was kind of interesting. And there's a speaker back here. You can't see, well, it's sewn in,
Mm-hmm.
but there's a speaker back here so you can hear.
Wow.
Yeah, I can't wait to try this out.
You try it, Han, and then show me soon. Happy New Year, guys. Wishing you good health, lots of prosperity, great love, and lots of. Oh my God!
Lots of
I for.
babies. No, no, don't
Sir
do that to me.
Sammy, oh my God, you're back. More babies. I want only one babies, two babies. Happy New Year, Sir Sammy. Long time no see. Welcome back. Happy New Year also to you and good morning. Good morning. How's your New Year there? Thank you for that. More babies.
Oh my God, thank
If
you.
if
Thank
God
you.
will give me more babies, I will accept it. Sir Savi. How many babies? 12 babies, Sir Savi? Happy New Year to you. But me and Mike
Oh,
only one or two. But if God will give me many babies, 12,
God. Am I
your
God
house will.
now?
Hmm?
Am I God now?
Buang. We will make it now. Maybe if you have a many babies, your house will be like a carnival.
Oh my God.
Very noisy. Always fighting, have crying. You need a
Boo
lot.
hoo hoo. Boo hoo hoo.
My kids drive you
Yes.
crazy.
Yes. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's why only one or two.
Oh,
One or two. Carlos is only one daughter. Carlos only have one daughter. Mike also only have one daughter.
yeah.
Mike needs coffee all the time from Playcon, Carlos.
Oh, I got coffee. It's just that I had to go and thin it out a little bit. I had fake sugar, had Splenda.
Hey,
I
Brother Jan
overdid it.
Binbin, thank you again. I have to. Sorry, I forgot. Yeah, sorry. I forgot. You have to. Hey,
Yeah,
Brother
there was
Jan
so much
Bonvin,
fake
thank you.
sugar. It was like cream in itself. I stirred it up. It looked like cream. And then I added some